All right, welcome. My name is Kate Thompson. I'm the LMS coordinator here at Concordia St. Paul, and I'm going to be walking you through our workshop today on Zoom Whiteboard. Today we'll cover a quick summary on the whiteboard, how to share your whiteboard, the different annotation tools that are available, how to save your whiteboard, and how to interact with your students using the whiteboard feature. So what is the whiteboard? Whiteboard is a feature within Zoom that allows hosts, yourselves, to share a virtual whiteboard that you and other participants can annotate on. This is a great tool to use during your courses as it increases the levels of engagement, it adds lesson flexibility, and provides you the option to save work for later reference. So how do you share a whiteboard? So once you're already in your Zoom meeting, you're going to click on the green Share Screen option in the Zoom toolbar. Then you'll select Whiteboard and click the blue Share option. You'll automatically go into a blank whiteboard. Annotation tools. As the host, you automatically have annotation rights and quite a few different tools to choose from. In the annotation bar, you'll first see the mouse option. This can deactivate the annotation tools and switches to you using your mouse as a pointer. If this icon is blue, it means that the other icons are deactivated. Next option is Select. This allows you to select, move, or resize your annotations. Text allows you to insert text and type out anything you would like to your students. Draw allows you to insert lines, arrows, and shapes. Stamp allows you to insert predefined icons like a check mark or star. Spotlight turns your cursor into a spotlight or arrow. Eraser. Click and drag to erase parts of your annotation. So if you're looking to just erase singular elements of an annotation, this is the option that you'll want to use. Format. Change the formatting option of annotation tools like color, line width, and font. Undo. Undo your latest annotation. Redo. Redo your latest annotation that you just undid. And lastly, clear. Again, clear will delete all of your annotations, whereas eraser will delete singular elements. The last option that you see on the annotations tools is the save option. You can save your whiteboards to your desktop as a PNG or a PDF. This is saved to your local recording location on your desktop, which you can see is automatically populated. The location opens automatically upon ending of the meeting. Interact with your students. Now that you've learned how to use the whiteboard, allow your students to collaborate with you. Click on the More option in the Zoom toolbar and select Allow Participants Annotation. And now that we have learned how to do all that, let's try the whiteboard out ourselves. I'm going to share a whiteboard and then we should all be able to collaborate. All right, so you should all see the whiteboard right now. And you should, if you are at the top of your screen, you can click View Options, and that should give you the option to access your annotation tools. You can go ahead and start drawing. As you can see, this is a really great way to engage your students, create some interesting artwork, and save for later use. Yeah, those stamps are really fun. All right. Now that we've created this beautiful artwork, I'm going to save it. You can see that it's been saved to my desktop, so I can choose to upload it later into our course for later reference or bring it up again in another Zoom session. And that concludes our workshop for the day. Hope you all learned something and have a good rest of your day. Thank you.